Planned 8-hour power outage to affect these parts of Cape Town. The City of Cape Town Electricity Generation and Distribution Department will be doing infrastructure maintenance in Lansdowne, resulting in an 8-power outage. The City of Cape Town performed the maintenance on Tuesday, February 13th, and it was scheduled to be carried out again on Tuesday, February 20th. However, the municipality cancelled it. The City of Cape Town said the electricity infrastructure maintenance will be carried out for the second time on Wednesday, March 20th, from 8 to 1600 hours. The Metro Municipality is expected to do the maintenance again on March 27th from 8 to 1600 hours. This is essential maintenance of critical power infrastructure in the Lansdowne area. The maintenance work ensures a reliable electricity supply for residents in the area. The city apologizes for any inconvenience caused, the City of Cape Town said. Furthermore, the municipality warned that the electricity supply could be restored at any time. Customers must treat all electrical installations as live for the entire duration of the interruption. Residents are encouraged to switch off appliances as a precaution and to avoid damage caused by power surges when the power comes back on. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.